Well, you spin my head right round when you go down. With that being said, let us see what our next tool is going to be. I'm going from object mode to edit mode. You can use the tab button as well. Here we have vertex mode, edge mode and face mode. You can use 1, 2, 3 on the keyboard to access it. I'm going to face mode, and then I am going to select one of the face, and let me select one of the face, and we are going to see the next tool, spin. What spin is going to do is, wherever this thing is there, this is called 3D cursor, this red and white circle, and if you shift right click anywhere, that cursor will go to wherever you have clicked. If I want this cursor here, I would hold and tap shift button and then right click. The 3D cursor will be there. Why this 3D cursor is important is, wherever this 3D cursor is, according to that the spin is going to take place. Like I have placed the 3D cursor here, shift right click to place this 3D cursor. I selected this face, and now with the help of this plus, click and drag. Oh, you can make an arc out of it. If you want, you can even change this, the way this arc is displayed, with the help of these buttons. If you want arc bigger, if you want arc smaller, or if you want it higher, or if you want it lower, after the arc has been made. And even if you want, you can rotate the arc. You can get some different designs here. Control Z. So this is in the x-axis, according to x-axis. According to y-axis, if you want to do, here you can see there is a button Y. If you click on the y-axis, it will take place according to y-axis. Because the 3D cursor is somewhere in the odd shape, we can't see it. We will move the 3D cursor with the help of this thing. I'm not moving the 3D cursor, I am moving the way the spin is taking place. That's how you can change how the spin is going to take place. The next thing, z-axis. The z-axis is going to do the same thing. If I hold shift and right click over here, the 3D cursor will be there, and if I click and drag this, we can get this round spin. It is spinning the thing, and steps will define how many steps you want. If I keep 3 steps and go somewhere around here and click and drag, I will get only 3 steps. I will click this green one and drag, and this red one as well to drag. You see, I got 1, 2 and third face, 3 faces. With the help of steps, you can change the how many steps you want. So that was it, my friends. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to support me wholeheartedly, there is a link of Patreon given in the links below. Patreon is the way in which you can support me financially and keep this flow of knowledge going on. So with that being said, see it, try it, understand it. Until then, I will see you in the next video.